Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To raise and support the vehicle, the engine oil pan is located on the passenger side of the vehicle underneath. Drain plug is 14 millimeter. I use a 14 millimeter box wrench and loosen it and drain the oil. I've got my drain pan ready. That loose. Drain the oil. Now that it's all drained, reinstall the drain plug. If I feel it get tight, I'll just go a little quarter turn more, and that should be good. I'll wipe up the oil, dripped off. That way if it leaks, I'll be able to tell. Use an oil filter socket on our extension. I'm gonna remove the oil filter. Get the socket out of here. Well, stuck to the oil filter, I'll have to get it off afterwards. Got our drain pan ready. We're gonna make sure that the oil filter gasket went off with the old oil filter because we don't want to double gasket it. There is a gasket on here, and if the old one is still there, it can cause a leak. Just gonna take a little bit of the oil that's right here, put it right around the O-ring, and reach up and just spin it on. And we'll just do it hand tight. No need to use that oil filter wrench. Just as tight as you can go by hand. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna wipe down any oil that's spilled. To refill the oil, I'm gonna open the oil cap. It actually says on it the recommended weight, 5W30. The vehicle takes 4 quarts of oil. Put our funnel in there. This container is 5 quarts. So when it gets down to this bottom line, I'll pull the dipstick and double check it. All right, getting close to 4 quarts. Just gotta finish it off. All right, so it's got 4 quarts of oil in there. Take the funnel out, reinstall the oil cap. Wipe down the oil I spilled. I'm gonna pull the dipstick and just check the oil level. I'll wipe it off. Put the dipstick back in. It's hard to see because it's nice and clean, but it is right there at the full mark. Now I'm just going to start it and check for any leaks. And then I can shut it off. And then when you're done, just look underneath and make sure there's no oil leaking. That's just from earlier, it dropped on the ground. I've got some kitty litter there to dry it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.